Hi, today I would like to show you a new application which you can use with your Vulcan SC350 or FC500. Now, as you know, your machines always come with these small calibration tools. And the calibration tools are usually used to calibrate the machine. So to do a size calibration or a camera calibration to set the camera offset. Now, obviously, those small pens can also be used to draw or write with your Vulcan machine. A trend that's increasing because you want to differentiate when you send out marketing messages like mailings to your customers can be handwritten notes, or for example, when you have wedding invitations, you want to write the names or want to write your name as if it was handwritten. Now, if you have hundreds of letters you want to send out, you don't want to really handwrite all that, but you want it to look handwritten. And there Vulcan comes into play, because we can also use those calibration tools to draw or actually to write as if it was handwritten. So we use a handwritten font, and now the key is, if you have a regular font, it's very hard to get it plotted with the Vulcan machine. So what you need is a so-called single line font. And the font I'm showing here, it's called Auditory Perception Single Line. And I'm linking to that font in the show notes, so you can actually download it for yourself and purchase it if you want to use it for commercial purposes. And then in your Vulcan, you just put in your pen holder, use the font in your vector graphic software like CorelDRAW and Illustrator, just send it to SignCut. And then once you have it in SignCut, the important thing is that in the cut settings as tool, you select your pen tool, because we want the blade offset to be set to 0. Once you have a blade offset, which you usually want every time you have a blade, when you really cut, then you need the blade offset. But when using any type of pen, you do not need and do not want to have a blade offset. And for that reason, we set the blade offset to 0 in SignCut, and then just send the data to your Vulcan machine. No matter if it's an FC or SC, it's very simple. And just replace the blade with the small calibration tool. And then you put in a sheet of paper, and the machine starts writing the text that you have typed on your computer, and it really looks handwritten. And even if you add it to other pre-printed material like a greeting card or something, always gives it a much more personal touch, and you don't have to do all the work yourself and really sign it with your hand. So good luck with that application, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.